Bruh. Yo. I mean, I'm speechless. My hair feels so soft. Oh my goodness. Like, wow. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Nia. So my hair is freshly washed. It's super stripped and dry from a cleanser that I was using. So I thought this would be the perfect opportunity to actually make a homemade deep conditioner with only 2 ingredients. Yes, that's olive oil and honey. I am taking it back old school and using some items that I already had in my kitchen. So I eyeballed, how much olive oil I needed versus how much honey I needed. I definitely try to use a little bit more olive oil because I didn't want the concoction to be too sticky, but then I ended up kind of using a little bit more honey. So it was kind of weird. Like, I don't have any exact measurements. This was just an experiment. I saw the DIY homemade conditioner online. So I was like, let me go ahead and give it a try and just kind of experiment and have some fun. So at first I put it in a little jar to kind of apply it to my hair. And as you can see here, I'm just sectioning off my hair as I normally do. But I put it in that little jar, and like, olive oil and honey definitely don't mix. Like, it's separated like it was nobody's business. And it's definitely messy. Like right here, I'm trying to just get the honey out. That way I can have like a good amount of honey, a good amount of olive oil, but it wasn't even working that way. It was so messy. I ended up spilling it on the floor a little bit by dipping into that jar. So what I ended up doing was I poured the mixture into a hair color applicator bottle, which I love all the time, and I'm just pouring it over the sink. But I love these little bottles because I put my shampoo in here and I can get the shampoo directly to my scalp. So that's a little hack for you, okay? Put your shampoo in there, or, certain type of hair products, get directly to the source or directly to where you need to direct the product or whatever. But this was definitely more beneficial. And I felt like I was able to mix up the olive oil and the honey a little bit better than what it was before. So let's go over some benefits of using olive oil on the hair. Per my research online, olive oil helps to reduce damage and breakage. It adds moisture, shine, and softness, which is definitely true. It strengthens the hair shaft and it reduces dandruff. But for the most part, olive oil does nourishes and conditions the hair, and it is also claimed to soothe the scalp. Last but not least, olive oil does contain proteins, antioxidants, and antimicrobial agents that might contribute to healthy hair. Over time, treating your hair with olive oil may work to strengthen your hair follicle, increasing lifespan of each hair and making it seem like your hair is growing more quickly. This is per healthline.com. Now, some benefits of honey is the fact that it is an emollient and it has humectant properties, making it a great hair moisturizer. Emollients such as honey smooth the hair follicles and it adds shine to dull hair. Honey is a great natural product that can be used by itself or included into other natural hair treatments. It can promote cell growth, help to retain moisture, and restore nutrients to the hair and scalp. It may also help to alleviate inflammatory skin conditions when used with other therapies, and this is per healthline.com. Now, I say this respectfully, but I'm not here for the comments that you shouldn't be putting food in your hair. Like, my whole thing is products that companies make have tons of chemicals in it already. This is a chemical-free deep conditioner. It's natural, it's organic, it's not harmful to the body unless, of course, you're allergic to it. I was watching a recent video. I think the guy is a doctor, but I'm not 100% sure. But he was making a video about products that women should avoid because they have like high levels of carcinogens in it. And of course, beauty products are number one. They're laced with all types of chemicals, you guys. It's not even funny. You know, I don't have an issue with stylists, but I do have an issue with some stylists who be like, oh, don't put food in here. It's not pH balanced and all of that other stuff. But yet they're promoting hair products that are full of chemicals and hair treatments and all of that stuff. And then when people get sick, they have no choice but to turn around and use some type of organic solutions, such as making your own hair products at home, because now they're sick and unfortunately they have no choice but to change their lifestyle. Like everything we need, God has already made and given it to us on this earth. We just have to go about using our skills and research and putting these things together so that way we can prevent making ourselves sick or developing some type of harmful disease. Does this mean I'm going to stop using store-bought products altogether? No. I just want to give an alternative or a healthier option, like every once in a while, or I want to incorporate healthier options into my hair routine a little bit more, but I'll still be using store-bought products with ingredients that I trust. So you guys see right here, this is the reason why I don't use shower caps because they don't fit. Like my state banned plastic bags, so I ran out of plastic bags for my hair, but I have to use 2 shower caps. And I look extremely crazy, but hey, I had to do what I had to do. And I think I left this mixture in my hair for about 30 to 35 minutes. So my hair is freshly washed and I'm super excited to share the results with you guys. I'm going to include some actual commentary from the video right here. Bruh! Yo! I mean, I'm speechless. My hair feels so soft. Oh my goodness. Like, wow. Definitely had to be that olive oil. Definitely was the olive oil. I could still feel the oil. Like, it was kind of like low-key a hot oil treatment too. Like, wow. Yeah. This didn't disappoint, honey. Absolutely so good. All right, so here is a little quick before and after. As you guys heard, I was super surprised that my hair came out so moisturized. Like I can feel traces of the olive oil like left on my hair. And I rinsed and rinsed and washed and rinsed and rinsed. Like I was in a shower trying to wash this stuff out and this olive oil was hanging on for dear life. And then when I got out, my hair was still like moisturized and everything. Now the trick is you need to lock in that moisture, or I should say I locked in the moisture, obviously by using a very, very moisturized leave-in conditioner. So that way I can retain the moisture, obviously. But yeah, I think I might be doing a little bit more DIY hair products from now on. It doesn't hurt. It definitely, can help reduce my exposure to the chemicals that are hidden in a lot of these hair products, because I don't think the beauty industry is regulated with a lot of these products and they just be throwing anything in there. I even heard that like some makeup products have asbestos in it. Like, yeah, it just gets really, really crazy. I can go down a whole rabbit hole about that. But anywho, thank you all for watching my video. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed today's content. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to be a part of my YouTube family. And I will see you all next time. Bye.